my channel, The Baking Diva. Today I have a special guest with me. It's my grandson. What's your name?
Lucas.
Lucas. And how old are you, Lucas?
6.
6 years old. And Lucas has been baking with me. All of you that watch my channel know he's been baking with me since he was little, right?
Yeah.
Do you like to bake with Grandma?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what's tomorrow, Lucas?
Sunday, Mother's Day.
Mother's Day. And tomorrow we're going over to my daughter Dawn's house, right? Aunt Dawn's.
My cousin's house.
Right, his cousin's house. And what cousins are going to be there?
Jake and Aaron.
Jake and Aaron. You like to go over there and play with Jake and Aaron, right? Yeah. And what about their little doggy?
Pebbles.
Pebbles. Pebbles is what? This big, Lucas? And what color is she?
Brown and white.
Well, mostly white, right?
No, black and white.
Mostly white, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so today we're making something that everybody loves. Who doesn't love a warm, gooey, chewy chocolate chip cookie that comes right out of the oven? I do. Do you? Get out of here. He does so. So today we're going to make a Toll House. It's an oldie but a goodie. A Toll House chocolate chip cookie pie. And my little assistant here is going to put all the pre-measured ingredients in the mixer for me. This pie is so easy that even your children can help you make it. So are you ready, Lucas? Are you ready, Lucas? Say yes louder.
Yes!
Okay. All right, here we go. The first thing I did is I preheated the oven. Do you remember what I preheated it to?
304.
325 degrees. So I have it preheated now. Now, I doubled this recipe because so many people love this pie that I'm going to bring 2 of them over to my daughter's house. But in the description box, I'm going to put the recipe for 1 chocolate chip cookie pie. And if you want to make 2, you can double it too. So the ingredients we're putting in here is to yield 2 pies.
Wait, Grandma.
Yes,
Can
Lucas?
you make a double pie? Like 2 layers?
No, I don't think so. Maybe we could experiment with that another time. What do you think? Yeah. Okay, isn't he a cutie? So anyway, Grandpa's making faces with him over there, making him laugh. That's the cameraman.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Scott.
So what I did is I used 2 glass Pyrex pie plates. I'll show you later. And to make things easier, I bought the refrigerated Pillsbury pie crust. And this is supposed to be for the deep dish pies.
Grandma?
Just 1 second. And I've already let these warm up at room temperature for about 15 minutes, and I put them in the pie plates. I'll show you later. All right, so we have our mixer plugged in, and the first thing we're going to put in this mixer is 4 eggs. Do you need to get up on your knees here?
Yeah, now I do.
Yes. Lucas is my youngest grandson out of 4. All right, Lucas.
Yes,
Be careful now. Get them right into the bowl. Watch what you're doing. Over there.
One's 13, one's 11, and one's 15.
That's right. And Aaron's going to be 12 this week. All right, so we put in the eggs. Now, Lucas is going to turn on the mixer. What?
Finger.
We're going to turn on the mixer. And, oh, you got your finger dirty. So you might want to scoot over there a little bit. You're going to turn on the mixer, and we're going to whip up those eggs till they get light and foamy. And Lucas, remember, start it on slow, and then put it on medium. Otherwise, what happens?
Kapoo!
Woo! Everything goes all over. Sure. All right, so let's get this on a little bit. All right. So we're going to get those going until they're light and fluffy. Now you keep your eye on them. Let me know when they're light and fluffy. When I say fluffy, I really mean like foamy. You know what foam is? Like when the ocean waves come in and you see the foam, the white foam on top. When you're in the bathtub and you do a bubble bath and the bubbles look like foam. birthday tomorrow. Yeah, I hope you have some nice plans. We have mothers, and we have stepmothers, and we have mothers of pets, right?
And you could go to your cousin's house.
He just wants to go see his cousins.
Or grandma's.
Or grandma's. Oh, I love this little guy. All right. So, foamy. So now we're going to put in some of our other ingredients. And I love this pie because everything just goes into one bowl. It's so easy, right, Lucas? So next we're going to add, because I doubled the recipe, 1 cup of all-purpose flour. So get up on those knees and do it gently so it doesn't go poof all over.
Not the whole thing went out.
Okay, got that in? That's all right. Next, you're going to put in 1 cup of white granulated sugar. This pie is so good.
And it kind of looks like flour.
Now, do you know what this is, Lucas? You know where it is.
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar. 1 cup of dark brown sugar. So put that in. Hold it tight.
I read it.
I know.
There you go.
Now we're going to turn the mixer on. You can start it on low. And then we'll move it up to medium and we'll get all of that combined. All right, mix it, put it on a little higher now, like 4 maybe. Lucas is very concerned about what number to put the mixer on, right, Lucas? Because ever since we had the blow up, remember? I told him to put it on the number 4, and I guess your hand slipped a little, maybe, and it went to the highest, and what happened? Flour all over the place, right? All right, so we got to make that a little higher. There we go. All right, once we get that combined, recipe calls for 3/4 of a cup of butter. So I doubled it. So 3/4 of a cup would have been 1½ sticks. So I have 3 sticks of butter. All right, turn that off, Lucas.
Yeah, I was about to ask.
Now use your spoon, and you're going to spoon all of this butter up on the knees, all this butter into the bowl.
I was about to say, I turned it off because it's too loud.
Oh, okay. So Lucas is going to put the butter in the bowl. That's it. Just put it in. You can put it all around.
Just gonna put it in the same spot.
And then once we get the butter in, we're going to mix it again till everything is combined. And then we're going to start to see that our mixture gets thicker. What? You okay there?
Yep, just butter on my hands.
Butter on your hands. Here, we'll give you the dish towel for your hands when you're done. Alrighty. Here, wipe your hand.
Just a little bit. I'm gonna
Okay,
stir
now turn the mixer on.
on
Put it on medium.
2.
Now put it on 4.
Well,
All right, Lucas and I are going to get all this mixed up, and then we'll be back in a second to show you what we do next. Oh, don't mind us. We were just having a drink during our commercial break, right, Lucas? We have the mixture of what we just did, and I'll show you the consistency of it. It's, I would say, softer than a cookie dough, but very similar.
Mushy.
Yeah, mushy. Very similar to a cookie dough. All right, so now Lucas is going to do the fun part of it. Get up on those knees. Use a bowl. And we are going to add 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate bits to that bowl. Here you go.
Ready. 3, 2, 1, go!
Woo!
That was fast.
That was fast. Now take your spatula and try to mix the chocolate chips in with the cookie batter. Get those muscles going. Don't crash them, smash them. Just mix them in.
Oh,
Get out of here. Come on.
Oh. Yeah.
Hard to do, isn't it? You got to work out more. You got to come with Grandma to the spa when she does her water aerobics with the seniors. Okay, I'll help you a little bit. Now, we're going to ask the cameraman to slide us over the pie plates so we can show you what we have to do next. Look at that. Let me hold this up. So I used 2 glass Pyrex dishes, formed it into the pie plate. I crimped it a little bit around the sides. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to spoon this mixture into the pie plates. Let me just, whoa, you're right, Lucas. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Let's turn this up a little bit so the cameraman can see, wait a minute, what this looks like. Woo! With all of those chips in it. Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at that, cameraman.
Beautiful.
All right, so here we go. Let's put some in this one. We're going to divide them up. Put some in yours.
What does divide?
It means separate them. Put some. Lucas is in kindergarten, and let me tell you, this kid is smart.
80 plus 80 is 160.
That's right.
5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 20 is 40. 40 plus 40 is 80.
He's in kindergarten.
80 plus 80 is 160.
It's amazing, you see? And I wasn't just saying it because he's my grandson. He's smart. You're doing good in school, Lucas? Yeah. You think pretty soon you're going to be smarter than Grandma and Grandpa?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're going to take over my baking channel for me? And then I'll have to be your assistant.
Yeah.
Yeah, you would like that, huh? All right. Put a little bit more. So see what I do? I take my spatula and I smooth it gently into the pie shell. Looks delicious already. It's not even baked, right, Lucas?
No, not yet.
Look at that. Show you what it's going to look like. Well, yours isn't done yet. This is what it looks like after we smooth it
This
out.
is what it looks like first, and then it turned into that.
Exactly. Before and after, right? Yeah. Okay. We'll switch these around.
I want to do this.
Oh, you want to do it? Okay. Just
Yeah.
don't hit the sides, okay? Just stay inside the dish.
I'm going to do it from the top.
Okay. So while Lucas is getting that, be careful over here, all smoothed out. Here, hold it like this. Give me your hand. You see the end here? Go like this with the end. And then go that way, see? So while Lucas is getting that all smoothed, I'm going to put these pies in the oven. That's the 325 degree oven. I would say between 55 and 60 minutes. So they do take a little while to bake. And
We'll be back
you can
in a second.
insert a knife in there halfway between the outside edge and the center. And if it comes out clean, it's done. And then we will be back as soon as we take them out of the oven and they're slightly cooled.
Toodles.
See you soon. Hi, we're back. And our pies are all baked, right, Lucas? They took 55 minutes to bake. And we've let them cool on a cooling rack. This is what the little baby looks like. They came out so good. Some people like to eat them warm. I do. I like to eat them warm. Like I said, they taste like that nice warm chocolate chip cookie right out of the oven. And yeah, and I like to squirt on some whipped cream. If you don't want to use whipped cream, you can use Cool Whip, but there's nothing better than whipped cream. And if you want to make a sundae, a chocolate chip cookie sundae, what can they put on it, Lucas?
Ice cream.
Some vanilla ice cream and a little chocolate syrup.
Chocolate ice cream.
Thumbs up, right? So Lucas, we're going to cut a little piece of this. We're not going to cut a lot because we have to bring them to Aunt Dawn's tomorrow. And we don't want to bring her pies that are all cut into, but we'll just take a little piece.
Are you gonna put whipped cream on yours?
Yeah.
I don't want it.
All right, well, you just have to taste part of
How
the whipped
about
cream.
you just put whipped cream like over here?
Let me cut into this. Mmm.
It looks crunchy.
Get into the crust. There we go. The first piece, Lucas, is always the hardest to cut, right? I
don't
think
know.
so. Yeah, I think so. All right, I'm only cutting a little piece.
Dawn's probably gonna be Who ate?
Yeah, Aunt Dawn's going to say, who ate our pie? You take this. Oh, look at that. All those melted chips in there.
Oh, wait, those are chips.
Yeah, let's move this out of the way.
Yummy.
Oh,
time.
smell it, Lucas. Oh,
It's time for yummy
smell
time.
that. Smell it.
It
Oh,
smells like chocolate cheese.
it is. So look at that. So I'm just going to
Time to eat some.
squirt a little bit on top. Shake it, shake it, shake it. 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 Put a little bit on top.
No, I don't want it.
Well, you can eat the other part.
Okay.
All right. Now,
No, let me put
you want to taste a piece on the end? Go ahead.
this is
Tell me what you think.
Well, chippy.
Chippy. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Let me taste.
These are chocolate chips.
I told you. Look at that gooiness in there. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
I know, it's like chocolate chips.
Does it taste like a hot chocolate chip cookie? I told you. Well, if you like this video, what should they do, Lucas? Give us a thumbs up. Thumbs up. And what else should they do?
Subscribe.
Subscribe to my channel. Just hit that little red subscribe down in the description box and it'll turn gray. And ring that little bell next to it and you're a subscriber. What else can they do? Make a comment.
Spell the baking Diva.
Oh, make a comment. I love to read your comments. So Lucas and I are going to finish off this piece of pie.
Yummy.
And yummy, he says. And I will see you very soon. Happy Mother's Day, everyone. To